When you're on a call in a channel, you can share your screen to present documents or information to the members of that call so that they can see the information you want to share. So to do that, I'm actually going to start a call in a channel by clicking those channel details and then hitting call. So that's going to start the call in the channel. I'm going to go ahead and say start call, and here we go. So once I'm in the channel, I will have the share screen option. So I can go ahead and click that, and then I can choose the window that I would like to share with my team. So you have a few options here. So if you choose desktop, this is going to show all of the applications you have open on your desktop. So if you're switching between things, people will be able to see all of that. Definitely something to be mindful of, especially you want to be sure you don't have any sensitive information open that people maybe shouldn't see during the process. So instead, you can choose specific windows to share, which will just share that designated program. This is the option I prefer unless I really need to jump between a few different things. So here, I'm just going to share my email because I want to quickly demonstrate to the team this message that I got from Slack. So you can see here, I've shared my screen, and this is going to be the view that the team has on the call. Now, there are just a few options available when sharing your screen that you'll see here in this menu along the bottom. So first, you'll have the mute option if you wanted to mute your microphone. Since you're presenting, you're probably not going to want to unless maybe it's a video you're going to play. Otherwise, you have these two draw options. Now, for me, they're disabled in our settings, but really what it allows is for you to unleash your inner John Madden and draw on the screen a bit. So you can click the draw option and it'll allow you to draw on your screen just like you would in a paint application or something like that. So you can highlight and circle things as you choose. Or you can choose draw together, which is going to give other people in the call the option to draw with you. So say you want to edit in real time a document that you've created. You could put on draw together and let people kind of mark up and show, if there's a spelling error or a grammatical issue, they could go ahead and mark that up as they're speaking to kind of show you what they're talking about. So some pretty neat options when sharing your screen to kind of collaborate with your team. And then when you're done sharing, you can just go ahead and click that stop sharing icon and it will stop showing them your screen and bring you back to that call screen. When you're ready to go, you just hit leave and it'll end your call just like any other.